Welcome to this exploration of one of the most groundbreaking experiments in the history of science, Rutherford's Gold Foil Experiment. This remarkable investigation fundamentally changed our understanding of atomic structure by revealing the existence of the atomic nucleus. Through the scattering of alpha particles, scientists discovered that atoms are not solid spheres, but contain a tiny, dense core surrounded by vast empty space. Before Rutherford's experiment, the most widely accepted model of the atom was proposed by J. Thomson in 1904, known as the Plum Pudding Model. According to this model, atoms were thought to be spheres of positive charge with negatively charged electrons embedded throughout, similar to plums scattered in a pudding. However, this model had a significant problem. There was no experimental evidence to confirm how positive charge and mass were actually distributed within atoms. This lack of evidence set the stage for Rutherford's investigation. In 1909, Rutherford and his colleagues designed an ingenious experiment to probe the internal structure of atoms. The setup consisted of four main components. First, a radioactive source that emitted alpha particles, which are positively charged helium nuclei. Second, an ultrathin gold foil, approximately 100 nanometers thick, serving as the target. Third, a fluorescent zinc sulfide screen that produced tiny flashes of light whenever struck by alpha particles. And fourth, a movable microscope that allowed researchers to observe and record the scattering pattern at different angles around the foil. Based on the Plum Pudding Model, scientists expected a very specific outcome. They predicted that all alpha particles should pass straight through the gold foil with minimal deflection, since the positive charge was believed to be spread evenly throughout the atom. However, the actual results were shocking and completely unexpected. While most particles did pass through as predicted, some deflected at surprisingly large angles. Most astonishing of all, a few particles actually bounced straight back toward the source, as if they had hit something incredibly solid and massive. The experiment revealed three critical observations that would reshape atomic theory. First, the vast majority of alpha particles traveled straight through the gold foil without any deflection whatsoever. Second, a small fraction of particles deflected at various angles while passing through the foil. And third, in the most surprising finding, approximately 1 in 8,000 particles, or about 0.0125%, bounced back at angles greater than 90 degrees. These observations could not be explained by the Plum Pudding Model and demanded a completely new understanding of atomic structure. Rutherford was astounded by these results. He famously remarked, "It was quite the most incredible event that has ever happened to me in my life. It was almost as incredible as if you fired a 15-inch shell at a piece of tissue paper and it came back and hit you." From these observations, Rutherford drew two revolutionary conclusions. First, atoms must be mostly empty space to allow the majority of particles to pass through undeflected. Second, there must be a tiny, dense, positively charged nucleus at the center of each atom, capable of repelling the positively charged alpha particles with enough force to deflect or even reverse their direction. Based on his experimental findings, Rutherford proposed a new model of the atom called the nuclear atomic model. This model has four key features. First, a tiny nucleus, a small, dense, positively charged core containing protons and nearly all of the atom's mass. Second, vast empty space, a large region surrounding the nucleus where electrons exist but which is mostly vacant. Third, concentrated mass distribution. Despite occupying only a tiny fraction of the atom's total volume, the nucleus contains almost all of its mass. And fourth, an electron cloud, negatively charged electrons that orbit the nucleus at relatively large distances, similar to planets orbiting the Sun. Rutherford's gold foil experiment had an enormous impact on modern science. It was a truly revolutionary discovery that completely overturned the Plum Pudding Model and established our current understanding of nuclear atomic structure. This work laid the foundation for atomic physics, paving the way for the development of quantum mechanics, nuclear physics, and modern chemistry. The discovery also enabled practical applications in nuclear energy and medicine, as it led to our understanding of nuclear reactions. For these groundbreaking contributions, Ernest Rutherford is rightly remembered as the father of nuclear physics, and his experiment remains one of the most important investigations in the history of science.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.